Good morning, students. How are you all? I am Neha Christian from Srimati LP Savani Vidya Bhavan. Today, in Maths, we will learn about lesson number 6, measurement. Let's start with length. To compare length, we use the words long, longer, and longest, or short, shorter, and shortest. Let's see the example. This pencil is long and this pencil is short. Now, can you tell me which words we use to compare length? Yes, long and short. Now, let's learn about distance. To compare distance, we use the word near and far. Let's see the example. The boy is near the tree and the girl is far from the tree. So, which words we use to compare distance? Near and far. Now let's learn about height. To compare height, we use the word tall, taller, and tallest, or short, shorter, and shortest. Let's see the example. The giraffe is tall and the monkeys are short. Now let's learn about thickness. To compare the thickness, we use the word thick and thin. Let's see the example. This candle is thick and this candle is thin. So, which words we use to compare thickness? Thick and thin. Now, let's learn about non-standard measure used to measure length. Human beings first used different parts of their body to measure length. They used the length of their foot to measure the length. This is called a foot span. Now next, they used their footsteps to measure the distance between 2 points. This is called a pace. Pace means steps. Next, they use their forearm to measure the length. This is called a cubit. A cubit is the distance from your elbow to the tip of your middle finger. They also used their fingers to measure the length. This is called a handspan. Later, human beings invented the ruler for measuring length. Length is measured in units such as inches, meters, and centimeters. We measure the length of smaller object in centimeters and length of longer objects in meters. Now let's learn about weight. We use a weighing scale to measure weight. When the objects on the two sides of the balance are of equal weight, the weighing scale is balanced. And if the weight is more on one side of the scale, then the heavier side goes down. So students, always remember, the heavier side always goes down and the lighter side always goes up. Now let's see heavy and light weight. Look at this picture. In this picture, the compare weight. Apple we use heavy. The word heavy and light. Apple is heavy and pencil is light. Now Veena and Isan are playing on the seesaw. Veena is heavier than Isan, so her side of the seesaw goes down. So student, always remember the heavier side always goes down and the lighter side always goes up. So here we completed chapter 6 measurement. Hope you enjoy the video. Bye bye. Take care.